In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to change wallpaper on Windows 10 following few steps. Now go to settings, firstly click on start and then go to settings option. Now here you can see different options. Go to the personalization option. Now here you can see this option of background. Here I have selected the option picture. Also you can select solid colors. You can put the solid colors as wallpaper as well, or also you can choose the option slideshow. You can use the slideshow for wallpaper, but here I will be choosing pictures. Now here you have to select the picture in this way. You can also browse it if it is not showing in the option over here. Now here you can see the option of choose a fit. You can just stretch it or center it, but here I will be choosing the option fill. Now here you can go and check it. In this way you can easily change wallpaper on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.